Hi guys, I'm Steph and welcome to Steph's Glow. Today is my first ever YouTube video, so I thought we'd kick things off with something a little bit simple and do a nice festival look, a very quick one. So to start off with, I'm going to use some Jeffree Star in the colour Nefri and literally just going to put it all the way around. Just going to do something very simple. Literally look at that highlight. Oh, so cool. Just gonna go all the way around. And you do want it to look really, really bright. So just keep layering it. Keep layering. Seriously, look at that glow. Wow. And then just do the same on the other side of your face. I did forget to mention, by the way, that I've already got all my base, my foundation, my eyebrows, everything's all done. Who doesn't want to glow at a festival? I think we just need to put a little bit more. There. Beautiful. Then I'm just going to do my normal highlight down my nose. Sorry, just looking in a pot for the brushes. I'm just going to go down my nose and just my lip like I normally would, and that was with my Ofra glazed donut. I love this highlighter, it is the bomb. Then we're going to use some Love Lemonade glitter glue and just going to pop it kind of haphazardly all over the top of the highlight. And then I've got this lovely pot of glitter that I got off Amazon. No idea who it's made by, but it was fairly cheap, only a few pounds. Then I'm going to get my brush. I'm just going to dip into it and start packing it onto my face. You don't need to be too careful because it'll just stick to wherever you've put the glue, really. And that's one side done. And then literally just go in and do the same thing, just not really worrying where you're putting it too much, as long as it is on top of the highlighter. Obviously you can do as much or as little as you want. I am kind of packing it on there. So then go do the same thing. You do want to work fairly quickly because this glue does dry quite fast. Sorry if you wonder why I'm looking down here, because my mirror's there. Lush. So that is the glitter applied. Now we're just going to do a nice lipstick. I think we're going to go with Jeffree Star's Calabasas, which is just a metallic-y, pinky, reddy colour. It's just beautiful. I'm just going to put that on. How lush is that? And it smells so good. It literally smells like sweets. Kind of want to eat it. Lovely, that's all applied. And you see how pretty that is? Can you literally see the shine? And then also just going to go back in with my Ofra glazed donut and just highlight my brow bone and the inners of my eye. I haven't put any eyeshadow on, thought we'd keep it all the glitter to the sides of our faces. That's good. Then I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. My eyelashes literally just go straight down. It is an absolute nightmare. So we do this and the likelihood is they'll still face down. But we tried. This is literally just a Home Bargains eyelash curler. Cheap and cheerful. And then I am going to go in with my Ico Black Magic mascara. It's good price, seems to work pretty well. I do have the shortest eyelashes in the world, but they do seem to do a pretty good job of them. There we go. Just gonna go do the same eye, not the same eye, the opposite eye, same eye. That would be silly, I've already done it. Okay, so that is all done. You could now, if you want to go in with sort of false lashes. I am not going to because they seem to have really damaged my eyelashes. I'm working pretty hard to try and get them strong again to actually grow. So that's our finished look. Take my hairband out. Excuse this, I'm trying to grow my fringe out and at the moment it just looks awful. So let's grab a little clip, just clip that back. Lovely. And there we go. You are all festival ready. Thank you for joining me on my first video and we will see you next time.